Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchases. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning tools. We're comparing the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner. Grab your popcorn because things are about to get dirty. In a clean way, of course. First up, the price. The Shark is priced at about $149, while the Newbealer is only $104. Reviewers on Amazon have noted that for the Newbealer's price, it offers great value for money, making it a budget-friendly choice for those looking to clean without breaking the bank. So if you're on a budget, Newbealer is your new best friend. Now let's talk design. The Shark has a sleek, professional look and is known for its reliability, as many users have purchased it multiple times over the years. The Newbealer, on the other hand, is lightweight at just 3.96 pounds and features a swivel steering mop head, making it easy to maneuver. Reviewers have loved its cute design and lightweight feel, making cleaning a breeze. Let's get down to performance. The Shark heats up in about 30 seconds and is praised for its 3 steam settings, which many users find effective for various flooring types. The Newbealer heats up even faster in just 20 seconds and offers 3 adjustable steam modes. Reviewers appreciate its powerful steam pressure, which makes cleaning quick and efficient. It can reach up to 248, making it a hot competitor. Next up is versatility. The Shark is great for cleaning floors, but the Newbealer is like the Swiss Army knife of steam cleaners. It can be used as both a mop and a handheld cleaner, with various attachments for different cleaning tasks. Reviewers have highlighted how versatile it is, especially for cleaning grout and furniture, unlike the Shark, which focuses primarily on floors. Now let's talk water tank capacity. The Shark's water tank size isn't specified, but reviewers have noted that it might require more frequent refills during longer cleaning sessions. In contrast, the Newbealer has an 8.5 fluid ounces tank that provides 10 to 25 minutes of continuous cleaning. Reviewers appreciate this extended cleaning time, allowing them to tackle larger areas without interruptions. In summary, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is highly praised for its reliability and effectiveness on various flooring types, while the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner is celebrated for its versatility, lightweight design, and affordability. Each has its strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and budgets. So what's the verdict? If you want a sleek, professional-looking mop that's reliable, go with the Shark. But if you're looking for versatility, speed, and a whole lot of steam for your buck, the Newbealer is the way to go. Remember, folks, whether you choose Shark or Newbealer, just make sure you're cleaning up your act, not your wallet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.